Honorable Speaker, in the cryptocurrency space, right now in our country, we do not recognize the cryptocurrency as a legal tender. This is another area that we are lagging behind, Honorable Speaker, and I just want to encourage the incoming chair to ensure that we at least fast track and enable our central bank to start recognizing cryptocurrencies as a legal tender so that we can then have more Kenyans operating in this space. And number two, so that Kenyans can have guarantee that they have the backing of their central bank when they are operating in this space. Because right now, as it stands, Honorable Speaker, yes, we do have Kenyans who are operating cryptocurrencies, for example, the Bitcoin. But the problem is, were there to be any risks associated with cryptocurrency, then they wouldn't have any legal backing because it's not recognized as a legal tender. Therefore, I just want to encourage the chair that one of the quick policy reforms that he should undertake is to ensure that we are recognizing cryptocurrencies as a legal tender in our country. And finally, Honorable Speaker, I just want to also say that because of the digital space that we now find ourselves operating in, and because we do not have sufficient laws that enable us to place ourselves properly in the dynamic nature of the digital reforms, I want to encourage the chair that together with the CEO of the Capital Markets Authority, together with the Communication Authority, that as a country we need to fast track and ensure that we have a digital sandbox that will enable us as a country to be able to safeguard our people against any risks and advances that come with the nature of not being properly prepared in the digital space and not having the proper reforms. With those few remarks, Honorable Speaker, I'd like to support and wish the incoming chair all the best. I thank you.
Member for